In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text box from one page to another inside DocFly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to DocFly's website. On the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right. Click that, then choose the option to sign in with Google. Select your Google account and complete any prompts to continue. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. Find the PDF you want to edit and click it to open the DocFly editor. Inside the editor, locate the text box that contains the text you want to reuse. Click inside the box so you can see the blinking cursor, then drag to highlight the specific content you need. If you want everything in that box, dragging from start to finish works well, and using keyboard shortcuts can speed things up. When your text is highlighted, copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. A quick tip, if you accidentally click outside the box and lose your selection, just click back in and select again before copying. Next, navigate to the page where you want to place the text. You can use the page thumbnails on the left side of the screen or the page navigation controls to jump to the exact page. Take a moment to zoom in if you need to be precise about placement. Now add a new text box on that page. Select the text tool in the editor, then click where you want the new box to appear. A box will drop onto the page. You can drag it to reposition and pull the corners to resize it so there's enough room for your content. With the new box ready, click inside it and paste the text you copied earlier using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. If the text looks cramped, expand the box or adjust the font size and line spacing using the formatting controls so everything fits neatly. Align the box with nearby elements for a clean layout, and use the guides that appear while moving the box to keep things consistent across pages. If any characters look off after pasting, switch to a similar font that matches the original styling. That's all there is to it. You've selected the content from an existing text box, navigated to the target page, added a new text box, and pasted the text exactly where you need it. Repeat the same process for any other pages where you want to reuse that content. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in DocFly.